Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's a little quiet over here, kind of weird. It's like 6 p.m. but we're gonna install Daniel's intake. So I'm gonna call him right now so he can come out and get started. Where you at?
In my room.
Been here for like 10 minutes already.
You're hella lying. I know you just got here.
I see you looking out the window.
All crazy.
Weirdo. Hurry up. Oh, he's leaving. Carbon fiber. Already got a head start. Now, still need to take that off, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Guys, update. It is on, and it's carb legal. Kind of hard to see. It's carb legal, so that's sick. It's low key a pain. That's why we're gonna record. Honestly, this part was the hardest right there. So annoying. That's what took us the longest, but it is on now. Gonna turn it on. Hopefully, take it for a little test drive and see how it is. Should make tons of sound, and he did remove the little stuff up here, so it should be even louder. Can't wait. Daniel's dad's truck is freaking huge. Like, that's a regular mid-size SUV. And look at this thing. I'm like, bro, it's so tall. That's massive, to be honest. It's the next day. We're gonna drive this thing, see how it is. I'll give you guys a little reaction. We'll do a little bit of POV. Alright guys, we're driving Daniel's Focus RS. Sounds nasty. It's full bolt-ons now. Just needs a tune, so he's got a conservative stock tune. Oh, I wonder what that noise is. God damn. One thing I love about a Focus RS, it does that on command. My car does not. I gotta try harder. Alright guys, we're in an expressway now. Should we give him some juice, Daniel? Should we give him some juice? This car's flooring it. This Kia behind us is going crazy. Alright, we'll give you guys some more juice right here. Look at this kid. Hey, what's the RS light? Is that a shift light?
Oh yeah, that's the full year best. I mean, yeah.
What?
It tells you the shift.
What the heck? I was like, what is that? That's kind of cool. Oh, I saw this car earlier. They were driving next to me when I was in Speed 3 coming home from the gym. They're going ham. Should we do a pull on them, Danny? Damn, that's fun.
Yeah, it tells you that when you're redlining.
Yeah, I floored it and I'm like, what is that? Like, I thought the engine light was flashing. Alright, hold on, Daniel.
It tells you that it's like fucking chill out.
So fun. Love that. That kind of sound like a flame. Why is this car behind me now? That sucks, Daniel. This side though. Instead of an ST now. Oh fuck, there's helicopters there, bro. Oh, we fucked up.
You're doing pulls.
Kinda sucks. Turn the fogs off. Did some pulls in Daniel's car. Shout out to Daniel for letting me drive it. That was so fun. This car is super fun. It just hooks. Alright guys, now we're in the ST. Let's cold start her. Guys, now down here I'm gonna get some food. I'll pick up the camera once we're there. It's gonna be a blast. Damn, I might need some gas. We're gonna get some gas first. Alright guys, we just got to where we're gonna eat and we're pulling in, backfiring like crazy, and there's like 20 cops here and they look kind of like just stared at us. That was crazy. I'm put the camera down because they're coming.
Smash burger and Hollister? That shit's ass.
Guys, it's my second time trying Shake Shack. What do you guys know how it goes? Got the shake sauce. Looks pretty good.
Oh, that's fucking nasty.
What is it?
I don't know.
Pretty good. Second time. Destroyed that burger. I was hungry either way. Who messes with The Weeknd's new album? I love it. It's just so chill. Alright guys. Well, Daniel's in my car. I'm gonna let him drive it because I want to hear it. We're at the spot. I'm taking some videos, photos. It's a pretty cool spot. A little art back there. But yeah, Daniel's gonna drive my car because I just want to hear how it sounds. Woo! Jesus, that looks really good. Realize how good and deep my exhaust tone sounds like on camera and on the YouTube videos I've made. It does not sound like that in person. You just feel it. Like, it's not really raspy, it's so deep and you just feel it. It sounds so good. Daniel's car sounds so good too. It's not as deep as mine, but it has that high-pitched tone. And obviously those loud pops. Wish I had those. I mean, I do every now and then, but not like crazy. It's always above 4,000 RPMs.